How to use Canva PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva on PC in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, create a new account or log into your account. Now as you can see, this is the home page of Canva. Now all what you have to do to create a design is go to the top here and click on create a design. Now search for the type of your design. For example, if you want to create a video, click video. If you want to create Instagram post, click Instagram and choose post. Now if you want to create Instagram reels, click here. Or for example, if you want, let's say, to create YouTube channel art or YouTube channel logo or thumbnail, you have many options. Okay, let's say that you want to create YouTube thumbnail, click on it and it will take you directly to this page. Now on this page you will find many templates right here. Choose the one that you want. For example, this one looks like professional thumbnail, or this one. Now as you can see, you can change everything right here. You can add your face, and for example, as you can see, you can change the text and everything from here easy. And you can also delete like this. As you can see, everything can be changed very easy and fast. And yeah, you can also change the colors. Click on it and click here and you can change, as you can see, as you want. So professional. You can also, as I said, change the photo. You can make it more larger like this. And after you finish and you want to save it, go to the top here, click on share and click download here. Now choose if you want to download it JPG, PNG, PDF, and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.